Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm really excited because we got a great new thing to show you, and I'll take you there 1 second. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. By the way, Master Tech Buddy is behind the camera. He's also the guy who did the installation of what you're about to see, and I guarantee you've probably never seen this before because we're the ones that specialize in sport bars and covers, and this is the newest thing we got here. We have, again, the Chevy Colorado here, and we have the MRC3000 here. And of course, what is the big deal on this one? This Colorado has that big sport bar that goes the full length of the bed. But again, we made a cover that works with it. Actually, we didn't make anything. This is the cover we installed today. And I'm going to go over this now. Again, this is the MRC3000. This is new Chevy Colorado. And this is a metal rolling cover. And before I go in there, buddy, kind of just bring that camera out this way. People haven't seen this before. And I want everyone to see how great this looks. This is a great looking cover. And if you notice, the matte finish matches all the stuff that came with the truck. So let's go in here and show you how it works. Now, this is, again, a rolling cover. It's a canister cover. Now, this is the newest one. The MRC3000 comes with a 330-pound weight capacity and a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which we get to double today to 10. Now, this has got the new handle here. So you can just kind of push that forward, give it a little push here, and you can see how this works here. So now this does have an AT slot. Let me go open it all the way. Here we go. Now, what is the main difference on this cover versus the other covers and why this one works so well? This sits inside the bed. So it does not interfere with the sport bar. So this is what's nice about this setup. Now, you do have a nice small canister over there, and it does have 4 drainage tubes in here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Now, the directions do show us the tubes running all the way down here, but the way we did is a lot cleaner looking. I like this better. If we don't always follow exactly with directions, if we see a way to make it better, we're going to always take that. Now, this here, you just really simple. You stand right back here. Now, of course, in the other covers, you kind of had to reach around this. This one, you don't have to worry about. You just kind of pull it. And there she goes. There are some stops along the way as well, so you don't have to have it all the way open, all the way closed. Now, I want to show you a couple things. This one, in order to keep it more water resistant, they have a big fat seal here and here. Now, you do have to close a little harder than normal. So I go here, and I have to push it a little bit, but as you can see, that looks really good. But the most important thing, it's going to keep most of Mother Nature out. Now, is it a waterproof submarine? It is not a submarine. This is a cover. So it's going to keep a lot of the water out. Every drop of water? No. But this one does a very good job. Again, this is the newest product out here. And boy, do I like this. And the good news is we can install it for you, or we can ship it anywhere in the country. Now, again, this is a new product, and most people are not familiar with this. But if you buy from us and you have this setup, we'll tell you everything you need to know to make all this work. And there's some things that are not in the directions that you will need to know. And if you buy from us, you get us. I'll put you on the phone with our Master Tech Buddy or myself, and we'll kind of go over any details you have. Again, this is the MRC3000. This is the new Chevy Colorado, and this is one of my favorite setups here with the sport bar. Boy, is this a great look and a great working cover. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date with things you don't see anywhere else but C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.